friends, now we are going to make a procedure that how to use Edmodo as one of the platform you can utilize in digital learning. So firstly, we are going to straight into Edmodo website itself. So you can search it on Google and then just click it. Alright, first is Edmodo is a website of digital learning. Therefore, to utilize its benefits and how to use it as our digital learning platform, so we have to sign up first if you haven't get the account of Edmodo, if it is your very beginning to using Edmodo. So we sign up first. Right, in this section you may see that this one is teacher account, second one student account, and the third one parent account. So in Edmodo, it's such a website made for teachers, students, and what is quite different with other digital learning platform that is featured for parent account. So on this video, I would like to explore how to make and how to utilize Edmodo as a feature, while my friend Faustina will going to explore how to utilize Edmodo as a student in this website. So we click this one. So we select our location. Then if you would like to sign up easily with your Google account or email, so we can sign up with our Google account email, and also if you have Microsoft or even Apple. However, if you haven't those of these features, you can manually input your data into this column. So I would like to sign up easily with my Google account email. So this is my account. Allow. So my account has been successfully signed up, so I have to verify, and even my email also has been verified. So I'm going to complete my profile. So title is Mr. Kevin Fernandez Sebua. Right, this is my account, in which my position is as a teacher. So you can try to see. Here's also looking for your library. Right. So it shows some of the features. So there is calendar to arrange assignments, works. Here is also classes. So this is my profile. This is my profile, in which that I can add my school here. I can add a profile picture, and I can add my bio statement, something like that. And in introduction also, in here I can add some description about myself. I can add my interest, and it has been stated that it will be only visible for me. And I can add some of stuff regarding to myself, in which that this is my identity as a teacher in this website. Right, this is also class feature, in which we are able to set up our online class, add students, and start sharing class work. So the first thing we have to know that is it is used for a digital learning platform. So we would like to see how we can create and set up a class. Just click it, and then we can create a class first by filling its identity. So we can, for example, give the name of the class, example class of, say simulation class of micro teaching. So we can give a description in how we describe the class itself. Example, it is a class made for describing and exploring how to utilize Edmodo as a digital learning platform. So you can select a grade, for example, as we are now, we can give it as higher education, and it has been also provided some subjects that we can use to define our class. So there are computer technology, creative arts, health and language arts, mathematics, professional development, science, social studies, special education, vocational studies. Perhaps we can use this one, world languages. So this one is what color we prefer to be in our class. So I choose green, so we can click create. I'm sorry, but we need also to add subject. However, it's actually preferred to English, but they haven't mentioned it. Spanish, French, Latin, German, Japanese, Chinese or Mandarin, Italian. So we choose all. I think that's referred to other languages which haven't been listed here. Right, so our class is setting up. Alright, this is it. So after we made a class, there are feature of add students or explore class. It means that we can add student first, create accounts for your students or invite them to join your class, and also explore class or check out the class features before adding your students. So we can add the student first, So invite students and other teachers into our class. So there are two options here. First is we invite our students so they themselves can sign up and also log in into our class. However, we can also create the student's account ahead of time, which means that we create the account that can be used by the students itself. So it will be more easily for them to get in into the class of Edmodo. However, in this time I would like to invite my friend Festina. So this is a class code in which that I can invite Festina, which take a role as a student with class code, or I can share a PDF instructions also, which Edmodo provided to be easily guideline, to be as an easy guideline. And this one also we can invite by email, in which that we can send an email invitation to the students. So I would like to share via class code. So I have copied it to my clipboard, and I would like also to invite by email. I think it's quite easy. So I would like to for example, I would like to invite Festina, so I can type Festina's email there. However, this one I share class code, which quite easy for me. So example, I would like to invite Festina, and I would like to send it, the class code, to her via Telegram chat. So in this time I would like to send the class code to Festina through Telegram chat. So here is she. So I can say the invitation to be sent to her. Right. So Festina will input this code to his account as a student in Edmodo. So she will add it automatically in my class. So this one is classes filters. So this is class that we have set it up just now. So it's quite similar with Google Classroom also actually, but as you can see, even though I myself as a beginner in this in utilizing this platform, but it seems very attractive, and also there are other features instead of we found in Google Classroom that makes it more interesting. So we can start discussion, we can share materials of the class here. You can also create a poll and wellness check. It means that you want to make sure whether your students have a good feelings, or you want to make sure your students are in excited desire to join the class. We can also send a welcome post. For example, I'd like to see welcome to our class. Happy learning, my students. Then we can post it to our class timeline in here. So this one, welcome to our class, happy learning my students. Alright, so in this feature also there is calendar, in which that we can filter the class group, the class or groups, assignments, works, etc. Therefore, we can check and we can add also event or task. In this part, we can discover other videos also, which can be utilized as a learning material. So Edmodo provide this. And in messages, we can send message privately to our students or even to parents also. So my students can get the class, and Festina will give the explanation how to act as a students. So my friends, that's all the simple procedure that you can use to utilize Edmodo as a digital learning platform. So thank you and see you.